If you want to draw on photos on Samsung Galaxy S25, then first of all we need to open the gallery, and then let's choose a photo on which we want to draw. Press this pen icon at the bottom, go to the smiley face, and then here we have some tools that allow us to draw on the photo. So for example, we can tap on this pen over here in order to choose what we want to use. So let's say I'm gonna choose this pen, we can make it thicker, and we can adjust the transparency as well. We can choose the color. Let's say I'm gonna choose yellow, and we can swipe for more colors as well. Once we select it, customize it, we can start drawing on the photo. And there we go. Once we are done, we can press save over here in the top right corner in order to save the photo and not keep the original photo. If you want to keep the original photo and save this one as a separate photo, you can tap on these three dots and choose save copy. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!